Hey yo, what up, good people? It's your boy Lead CM. I'm the one and only Martinent, as you already know. We are back with another episode, and guys, as you already know. I've got you guys. Untangovion, Taulo, Ma-Onion. Hey, now, I'll tell you, hey. Namakama
It's a K for African boy. It's a K for African boy.
Without borders, course.
Yo.
Mphetho Thabo, khuleka
Ah, no. Yabona wena uyibize okay nesibongo twala the middle name.
No. Mphetho esihle. This is a special edition episode.
Yeah. Special African boy.
Yes sir.
God,
Yes sir.
Awuthi
The best baba wami.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me, man.
Yeah, and I'm so happy to have you on the show, dog. When I checked you out, and so funny, dog. I've been seeing you on videos, especially I got Mr. Baby Powder. Yeah, I've been seeing you there, but I did not know the name that you use on social media. I don't wanna lie, I did not know.
Yeah.
Then I'm what's isn't it? It feels like I'm out of touch, man. Yo, But oh well, that's I discovered you then more dimples. Then I was like, no man, I need to have you on the show, because obviously born on my videos I had that thing with I need to get this guy someday, Then things just happen in just an awkward way, but I'm glad you're here, dog.
Yo, I'm happy to be here too, dog.
Yeah. Is it what's your real name, dog? Is it your real name?
No, my real name ke Taulo Jeremiah Nkotsi.
Okay.
Yeah, Wahamuraki, of course. Makweja. Masinga. Yeah, Masinga ki mutsweni. Yeah. So Taulo Jeremiah Nkotsi. Yeah. That's my full name and surname.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then how did you get to be called Uma Onion?
Onion.
Uma Onion ungenaphi lapho manje obvious. Utawulo, it's part of your real identity, but ungenaphi Uma Onion?
I'm fine. It's just being a creative. I needed a name for this character. So the character there, Mina no Mr. Baby Powder. We were trying to establish my brand. Cause he's a constructive criticist, someone that criticizes your brand and how it should come out. Ngendlela sharp. Umuntu okwazi ukubuild the brand. Umuntu okwazi ukubuild the brand. So he was like, yo, boy, we must find. I know you are key for African boy from the music side, but he was like, yo, dog, on content, you need to have a character. You have a character. We had a character that was this guy is like a thug yasekasi, but ithug yakhona enjani yile esaba ukwenza izinto amathug azenza, but he loves being a thug. Ngiyasaba mari ngiclever ngiyachwenza, but same time ngiyachwenziwe. You understand? So their character was like, yo, we've never seen such before. Someone that loves being a thug, but uyasaba ukuba a thug. Mara you understand what I mean?
Yeah.
So that character, we're like, okay, look, ekasi bebanokungibiza ngo Tangovion ekasi. So I had first time ukuthi umuntu angibiza uTangovion is my friend called uPizarro. So that guy was like, yo Tang, Ngovisto, we Ngovion. And then my cousin Tabo loved saying it too after Upiza thanda ukuyisho estradini. Ngovion esikhulu bafethu mangivela. So when I understood ukuthi Ngovion yini from Upiza, then I was like, yo, Ngovion is like brass banban. Ngovion is like injayekazi.
Yeah. Someone who's a bit notorious.
Yeah, notorious. Is Coco Sakon.
Yeah.
So Ngovion ekasi is Coco. So I was like, yo, this is a dope name from a friend.
Yeah.
Being akahlali. So ithe mayihlala ngathi I love this name. And then Uma Onion, I wanted the same name.
Okay.
They would go with the name. So
yeah.
Tangovion. So the Vion and the onion, you know, was like frying the things, you know. It was mangizwa, I was like, yo, this sounds dope.
Yeah,
Ama
yeah.
onion ngisho ukuthi ngifry izinto estradini, imufrya, you know, nyashashaya,
Yeah, yeah,
fryer,
yeah,
you
yeah,
know.
yeah.
So the idea was like, oh yes, okay, uma onion no fry izinto estradini.
Yeah, sure.
Dangovion my onion. So the name Keles approved the name. Was like, yo, that shit.
This is fire.
This is fire
This
for
is fire,
comedy,
for
boy.
sure, for sure.
For comedy, this is dope. I
Yeah.
was like, all right, sharp. Then we started using the name. Then the character had to build into being what it is today because of like character into blind. That's what unlocked. That's the character that unlocked my whole, you know, perception of being a comedian, you know. But I always knew from Eladley, my cousin knew there was a funny one. I was
Yeah.
one of the funny ones in the family. And the cousin
Is it?
Yeah, Utsepo,
You've been
bro.
like this.
Yeah,
Okay.
like this character.
Yeah.
It didn't have a name, but it was part of me.
Yeah, yeah,
Because
yeah.
I was this guy. Eladley, bebathanda ungenza MC makunama like
Ceremonies and stuff and
birthday
events,
party,
yeah.
yeah, they were like God.
Okay.
So
Zwakala. Yeah.
Nina ngikhuluma umpetho omningi afana ngoba bengithanda ukugwarana so bekunekhazini
Yeah,
yami ethanda
yeah.
ukungipompa uBenny ethanda ukungipompa leyana shuthi you know you can't gym if you don't have someone that gives you ngoba no 1 2 umuntu okunikeza
Yeah,
okubooster
yeah,
so
info.
this guy was my hype man.
Okay.
My cousin Benny, shout out
Okay.
Benny, was my hype man. Umonzolito,
Yeah.
One of Monzolito, I was like hyping me all the time on the family gatherings,
yeah.
you know. So I was like, okay, I can do this.
Yeah,
I mean,
yeah.
I think I am this person. So me and Keles, we've been friends since Eloli. Look, my mother's sister has a house in Loli. So she had like girls only. And then umama muna bafana kuphela by 4. So
Okay.
she wanted a boy ngara also blow major thing amagadini wabona be a boy in the
Yeah,
yard, you
yeah.
know. So I because of ngada kusechizini uyabona ngathi hayi
Uyangena.
yeah babkhulu
Yeah,
yazwakala
yeah.
ngada so when I'm 16 years ago, bro, 17 I think.
Okay.
So when I started chilling with Mark, that's when I met Ukeles Eloli because he was leaving that side from Mafikeng to Loli, I think, yes, straight to Loli. And which maslangana mina nontwana slangana through hip hop sessions.
Oh.
He's also a rapper. He's
Yeah.
a dope lyricist.
And I think that's one of the things that people, they don't really know much about you. Ukuthi, you are also like an artist on the other hand.
Bro, we like both dope lyricists, like serious, like we rap like serious.
Yeah.
dog.
I checked out your stuff, bro.
We
yeah,
rap like
yeah,
serious
I heard,
rap.
man. I heard. I don't want to lie.
So we've been Eloli out here to Sesh, DJ Sesh used to host events. So he started hosting like hip hop nights, R&B nights. Whatever. So at the hip hop nights, we used to go there and fill up the place, dog.
Okay.
And then I met Ukeles through. I was like, yo, this guy raps dope, dog. And he also was like, yo, K4, I want to him. No, that time I was not K4.
Okay.
I was calling myself Mojo, you know, Mojo Man, which Mojo is just my story, you know.
Okay.
So I was like Mojo Man, and then
I guess we all start somewhere with this name thing.
yeah,
Yeah.
So
We are actually
Mojo
the
Man,
motherfucking scat,
so
yeah.
Mojo Man, then you see with the Mojo Man name was Ngaleza Skati Desana, Esabo Slachis, because we were dope as Slachis, and we were going there all the time. We were like
Yeah.
part of the Slachis community, you understand? And abo 1808, abo Graveside, you know, abo Zipaya, ama hip hop session was so weird because now we don't have sessions anymore.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that thing,
yeah,
like, it's no more. Man.
It's no more, man. And it was that time, man.
What killed
was-
it? Like, with your perspective, what would you say killed, like, the whole thing of
Yeah.
hip hop sessions?
Conversations. Okay.
Eish, the inspiration, my dog. You see, let me tell you, ne, at that time, back then, ne, we were inspired.
Sure.
Yeah.
We were inspired
Yeah,
into
yeah.
doing that and moving like hip hop was moving. You know, it was a movement.
Yeah,
Ekas,
sure.
yabo.
Yeah. I totally agree. Yeah.
So we supported each other. Like we went
Yeah,
to
yeah.
each other's events. We made sure if Usiashes we are host, if
Yeah.
Deep Soweto we are
Yeah,
host,
yeah.
we
Yeah.
there to support
We're
Deep
there,
Soweto.
yeah.
If you know, we used to do that. Like, and then what happened was Kasi Rap, me personally, I
Yeah.
believe Uguti. Eshma Grootman as keys, but I'm gonna say this. That's one of my opinions. I don't know.
Yeah.
I've never spoke about this. Yeah, because I'm just
Yeah,
saying
yeah.
it because of hip hop and
Yeah.
the love for hip hop.
Yeah.
And I believe that Season Scoop at YFM. Ma Grootman,
Yeah.
respect to you guys.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Season
Still
Scoop,
showing love. Yeah.
respect. I respect you guys. So, and YFM, one love to YFM, man.
Yeah.
I believe that that you see Lesas Kati, Abo KO Mabangena with Skanda Nation, and then we had like MT, the other MT,
Yeah.
Skanda Rap. You still
Yeah.
remember?
Yeah.
So when they had that
Yeah.
beef, that beef had to there had to be a thin line that's in the middle. Look, hip hop, which is going in mainstream. Abobana bazohamba baye mainstream, so
Yeah.
there had to be a choice made for hip hop that time. So Abo KO with the English rapping, you see that Kasi rap but
Yeah, yeah,
English,
in
English,
English way,
you know,
yeah,
Snati screw,
Yeah.
they call it like that.
Yeah, that's what they call
They
it.
call it like that. So
Yeah.
Our screw took the upper hand where Season Scoop made, because it was that era
Yeah.
of the Season Scoop
Yes.
created that gap
Yes.
and the change that happened till today. Kasi rap ite my loser leo momentum and that battle.
Yeah.
You see, about 1632, still remember, in fact, about Pela Machita, washisa back then, talk like about Mickey M, Fetu,
dog, yo,
you
yeah,
know.
I still remember.
So
Yeah,
that
yeah,
rap,
Mickey
a problem with that rap. Ikasi rap, man, being in
Yeah.
Yeah. So
So Aboma 7, they were good rappers. That's why Kanavela Manje,
Yeah.
through Big Zulu, they are giving Ikasi rap a chance. Amakrutman, shout out Big Zulu.
Yeah,
for
shout out to
giving,
him,
for
yeah,
giving,
yeah,
Kasi rap a
yeah.
chance.
so baby rejected married.
Yes, it started getting rejected after.
Ushilo ma-7 about
Yeah,
this thing.
yeah.
We spoke about this. So ukuthi ukasi rap music kwakhona bowaziwa ngokuthi bayathukana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a music that's going to be put out there.
Yeah.
Like konke lama digital and
Platforms,
platforms and stuff
It
like
was
that.
blackballed. They call it blackballing, dog.
Yeah.
Hip hop has subgenres, dog.
Yeah.
So we need to understand, Oguti, of course, we needed that opportunity back then, but it so happened that there had to be a side that's been chosen.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
You understand? And it was Season Scoop
Yeah.
that made that. I'm saying Season Scoop because of we listened to YFM
Yeah,
so
YFM
much
big time,
we
yeah.
did.
back then. We listened
we
to
did.
it, and because of Season Scoop and other shows that made YFM what it was back then and what it is today. We of course back then we had that mentality to it. You know what, man? Look, Ikasi rap deserves a slot, but Tugana, we understood that. We understood that because we knew the music.
Yeah.
And when it was grimy, it was like ngathi ile drill. Yabona le drill yanu le America le ntwana zikhawathana for just the hip hop song or Cherry seziyabulala. Yeah, so but like South Africa, we don't have that. We don't have that what's happening that side. But
things,
the
yeah.
griminess of Kasi rap was that. You know, so inhlamba bezilanda naboma oledi, inhlamba bezinzima ngalendlela ukuthi zigcina, so they had to separate the two. Kasi rap and screw had to go mainstream. Kasi rap yashabalala net kanjalo then ama hip hop session ekasi aphela kanjalo.
Eish. But there's something that's confusing me still.
Yeah.
Because remember, go hip hop nakon, they are bo fuck, shit, bitch. Like logo, doesn't it like it hinders it like from getting and
Yeah.
of course it didn't hinder it like from reaching the mainstream or being at the pinnacle. But still it was there.
No, but remember-
it managed to broke through and be
Yeah.
there at the pinnacle. But the rap with Nabo
Kuivalka, yeah.
still
Yeah.
nalento le yokuthukana nanani, but yona it died.
Yeah.
But with the hip hop, it rose up to fame.
Look, I want to show you an example. Do you still remember? There's Lea era, and if you know the videos, if I'm 2000, Sean Bonama video.
Yeah,
But
you'll relate.
Sean Bonama
Yeah.
video on social media on YouTube that NWA, Abo Ice Cube, and Abo Easy E back then. Nabo no Tupac went through the same thing where but we are Tugana no Tugabo
Yes.
Mama still
Yes.
and then
Yeah.
you still remember the
Yeah.
government wanted to actually blackball him because we are Tugana. Yabona? So that's what Kasi Rap went through.
Eish.
But Kasi Rap ngale America because of the power of the dollar. People that invested on Tupac and NYDA,
yeah.
they
And
put
people-
millions on
yeah,
that.
loved Tupac.
Yeah, so of course, because Tupac wenzeni uyibonile igap. So that's what Siashezi tried to do when he tried going commercial.
Oh.
Yakhumbula kule era
Yeah.
ka Siashezi,
Yeah,
he
I
tried going
remember.
commercial.
Yeah, he did, yeah.
Because besakathola ama advice when your Ricky Ricks featured him on
Yeah,
on
yeah,
the songs.
yeah.
Abo
No,
Casper,
Casper, yes, yeah,
So
'cause they have a song.
they were trying to put him on the mainstream. Because bayabona ukuthi he's dope and uyabhayiziseka because of the name Kasi Rap.
Kasi Rap,
You
yeah.
understand? So that's what Tupac went through ngada back then, and your NWAs they went through that. But Abu Siashezi, because of there was no power of the rent like imali.
Yeah, imali.
If be uSiyashezi imali bekhona. Mfethu ama PR bekazohafa ama PR
Yeah, would have
ini
been big, yeah.
bu bekazohamba bengeke abhayiziseke.
Nanokuthi futhi beke into this category ye Kasi Rap.
Kasi Rap
Yes.
dog.
Yangithola, because obviously beka fola kuyo like that category ukuthi I'm a Kasi rapper.
Rapper.
Yes.
Yeah. So that turned everything around for his career. His career, trust me, was supposed to be fair.
Yeah.
Shout out to you, Siashezi Pruam. Ngiyazi ukuthi uyangifrustana flat njaya man. And I wish ukuthi career yakho be fair mpinjam. You deserve that. For Kasi, you are one of those papaya machitenga wa mention you them made Kasi Rap what it is today, shout out Ma7,
Yeah.
for the opportunity
That's
yakho
my
I
dog.
deserve a
That's my
program.
dog.
It's been a long time. I know you are like over 10 years deep, you understand? 20 years actually, 10 years in 20 years deep. Angifostana uzifanele nathi program. Hey, anyaza look 27.
Oh, I know. I feel you, my dog. I feel you.
Yeah.
Okay. Take me
Yeah.
back to the session that you were having at the time. Uhlangana no Baby Powder. Yeah. What inspired you actually like to be like into hip hop? Like, what was the inspiration for you?
Okay, for me, the inspiration when
The mic.
yeah, okay, for me, my inspiration was I love music. I love music, and I've been that guy that. But only lamliti mangkula. I was that child that sang along with songs on the TV.
Okay. Yeah.
Like when catch up fast, I would sing a song, a cartoon song, a cartoon type la malengoma ukhumbula lengoma zama amashow ama cartoon mawaqala there were songs there so I used to catch them quick I think nomntana lo uzibamba fast lengoma so I used to sing along with those songs.
Okay.
So musically I started at a young age to be a musical person, but me with the inspiration with hip hop, I go back to my cousin Utsepo. He's a rapper, raps. He's a poet actually, but turned into a rapper because he took his poetry and turned into that. And I was like, yo, and he rapped good, bro, but he never took that serious. He was like, but we hobby, but we into yenzayo.
Yeah.
Akwazi ukuyenza because he loved your Tupac. He loves you. He was listening to those songs, so he was inspired and wrote. And I was like, hey,
Yeah,
so I
sure,
started
sure.
doing it. Ganti, I would turn out good. Also, I would turn out nice.
Yeah.
Then when I think around 2000, because I started I think 1998.
Yo, bro. Yo.
I was young. But
Yeah, you were very young.
So, 2003, I started writing my first song.
Okay.
2003. I wrote my first song with my neighbor,
Okay.
Smash Galaka.
Okay.
He's the guy that started music with Nomnige, the third member of Iwala West. So we started Ola West was a group because we were also inspired by Ikwaito. When Kwaito around the 90s, we grew up in the 90s, and then around the 2000, my early millennium, then we started going like, yo, we can do this. But our first song we wrote our first song in 2003 because of inspiration, Kwaito, hip hop, also my background, cousin Yam.
Yeah.
Then all of those elements, they came together and we were like, yo, let's start a group, man. Started a group, we wrote our first songs 2003. Then fast forward, as I'm a group our span. You know, differences are
Yeah,
you know.
yeah. And it's a lot of them, Van.
Yeah.
Where it can be hip hop, my piano, kwaito,
Yo, bro.
like yo.
We started being, of course, I started having friends in the music industry. And I saw with, yo, shit, I will do that. If I can do this, probably in Zobakrend.
Yeah.
Then I started my solo career, 2007. I was like, yo, I'm gonna do this. I wanna do this alone. Because man, you know, I'm fun. Boy. Uchune one man. Then I started recording my own songs, 2007. 2008, 9. I've been singing this orchestra in feature. Cause damn, everybody knew with yeah, ngoba besengivela nasema-newspapeni ini, you know.
Okay.
2010, 11, 12, I got signed by a TV veteran, UK, Utiat Kestin, no Nikki Sachs. Shout out to Nikki Sachs. Shout out Tiat Kestin. I love you guys. I still have mad love for you guys. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to Walker Sondezi from ETV, man. Walker Sondezi actually is the guy that got the deal for me. And then when yo, bro, look, my things happened early, dog.
Yo, bro.
So
How did you get that plug, man?
yo, the music was good, dog. I was young, but I was creating like super dope music.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trust me, I created like dope music at that age. Every guy. That's how Walker Sondezi. Oh yes, Walker Sondezi became my manager because he lives in White City.
Okay.
MI8.
Yeah.
Okay.
His mother is from MI8. So me, because I walk, ekaslami kamalambe selpaza. So it was easy for him to get the word on the street that hey, unentwane kahle.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because the cats you are passing.
I'm buzzing to. Kichabavu boys, the Kichabavu boys, Utimza Pro, shout out Timza Pro, shout out DJ Crashes in Jazam. You know, they started a crew called Chabavu Boys, and I was one of the highest ranking niggas on the crew. I was one of the guys that did like Soweto TV, my God. I was like the first guys that performed and did like a couple of things on Soweto TV. ETV, Red Pepper, shout out Red Pepper, shout out the boys, my boys, what's Red Pepper? Unkumunte ETV that knows me, you know,
Yeah.
Shout out to everybody that knows me personally. Shout out to Siabonga. Shout out to my boy David Moki. Shout out to my boys, man. Karabo, Shesley Hippie. Shout out to you guys, man. Look, man. Because of the music that I was doing and how good I was, you know, I got opportunities. I got people that was looking, was yo, man, lentwana ndi anikayi lentwana chat.
Yeah.
So Walker Sundays was like, yo, Walker Sundays is still a floor manager at ETV as we speak. Floor manager in the ETV, and so
Okay.
so he was the one of the people that ran Ishi's Knees, a hip hop on ETV back then.
And there's a picture. I saw you there. There was a
Yeah,
picture
on
I saw
She's
you there.
Knees.
Nabo Shane Eagle.
About Shane Eagle. Those are my boys. Shout out Shane Eagle. Shout out DJ Supreme. Shout out my boys.
Bro, it's one of the big people in the industry,
Yeah.
especially
Yeah.
Shane Eagle. Yo.
Yo.
Yeah.
Shout out my boy, man. He works so hard.
So tell me, during your time, the time you send some music, or record, when they need demo,
Yeah.
because
Trust.
those days, when they were my demo.
Amademo. Mara mina bengishaye final because why ngithi final?
Yeah.
Bengenza idemo because I was signed by a TV veteran and bengirecorda e-studio sika Silver Diva no Brenda Diva. Studio say Isidingo, like Silver Diva is the original score maker say Isidingo. Le ngoma le Isidingo mayiphela le yabona ingoma Isidingo on SABC3.
This thing only need.
The need mayiphela le ngoma bekhala, the guy that created the song bengihlala endlini yakhe. Utiat Kestin,
Yeah,
Hyde
man.
Park. So I was recording at this studio. All the artists, white artists, they did like country what they came
Country
to
music.
to record there. I was recording my album there.
Oh.
So
Yeah,
you know, and shout out Brenda Diva, man. Thank you so much for everything, madam.
You know people.
Yeah,
man.
yo, he knows people.
Oh,
Yeah, I've
man,
seen
it's
him.
a
I've
lot.
seen him like anima pictures with a lot of people who are very big.
Yeah.
Even Questa.
Yeah, shout out Senzo. Yazi ntwana yami.
Umbiza ngo
Senzo Vilakazi. Shout out Senzo Vilakazi, man.
Yeah.
Khotmanele mnandi lelana. You know, we shot actually maqeda ukusayina i-TLT amazing. TLT amachita ethu wakhe ma-artist wakhe ethu when he gave them an opportunity, I got an opportunity through rest in peace Njayami Eshibafet. Yeah, Vandal. Rest in peace to Vandali. He's the one that introduced me, was my partner. Shout out to him. Rest in peace to him, man. He introduced me to Questa and of course the industry will side lily look organizer like for a video vixen, you know. I started working
Yeah.
like as a coordinator, you know, for Abo Questa, getting girls. Zonke lezaycheri kule video anglala ngobsoba ezona le TLT no Questa.
Yeah.
All the women you see there, abantwana basekastang. Yeah, like I organized like everybody to be on the video, you know, for Questa. Shout out to Questa, man, for that opportunity. I still remember it like it was yesterday. So shoot a clip down, you know. Shout out Khotman. And then, you know, yeah, man, I managed to also be able to organize ama vixen nabantu like extras for Casper University, not the bunch from Nigeria. For ingoma yabo, something for something. Yeah, so shout out to Casper, man. Shout out to the bunch. And that's when, you know, I started working with my Nigerian friends. You know, shout out Batman Payson, shout out Nico Dodger, shout out my boy Mike Ike, shout out my boy Jago Kush. Ooh, my boys, man.
Yo, bro, there are a lot of people that are involved in your journey, bruh.
Yeah.
Yo.
Trust, man. Trust and believe.
And then after the deal that you got overseas, how did it equipped like your career, your musical career? Like what happened after that?
Yo, bro, the deal didn't look. I had bad management.
You say so?
Yeah. So these niggas ingamla beban talk le ngamla le antiat Kirsten still respect you till today, man. What you did for me was best, man. You know, all those deals you got for me at Red Bed, you know, Converse, you know, and I still appreciate you till today, man, and for organizing the studio time at Silver Diva's house, man. I appreciate it. But with my management, I'm going to say it today.
Yeah.
I've never said it anywhere.
Hmm.
I didn't know anything about my team eating all the money that you gave them. I was an artist. Remember, I was at studio all the time. These guys, you gave them a budget. They were supposed to make sure I'm good with that budget. So the budget, I was not part of that, you know, of eating that money and misusing that money. I didn't become part of it because I was never told there was a budget for me. You know, I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry how the deal turned out. You know, I know you had to be angry because you've invested a lot of money on me. And, man, I'm sorry that it didn't work out because I didn't know my team was not that loyal to you. You know, it turned out to look like I was part of that, you know, because of I'm from the same hood with them.
Damn. So you got stains.
So yeah, so Tiat Kirsten ended up taking everything, dog. He bought a studio for me. He took everything, dog. He took his endorsements for me. He took his car. He bought me a car back then. Took his car, bro.
So how did you find out that they sabotaging you?
Bro, like, of course, his finance department, you know, they audit. You know?
Yeah.
So with the auditing and stuff, and the producer he got for me, Walker Sundays, he got the producer for me.
Yeah.
I walk and fine. I have to say this, sorry, fine. Because of, I mean, this is part of my journey. It broke me down, and I told you that, you know, this you know, messed up things for me in a big way, and it crashed me out, dog. You know, I mean. You see, let me tell you, ne. Kwabona umuntu omnyama omnikeza imali.
Eish, yeah.
Fine. So ufuna ukuthenga ama Gold 7. Imali engase imali ye Gold 7.
Yeah.
Imali ukuthi siyenza imali,
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah.
So I'm not saying you bought a Golf 7. No, you didn't, but I don't know what happened to that, man. I don't know what happened to the first 90,000 that you got. I don't know what happened to the second, I think 100,000, something like that. Because he was able to pop out money, and also Tiat wanted to pop out more money for, PR, things like that. So it stopped all that because of what his auditors found out. Because obviously, the first money goes out. These people are not stupid. They're white people who've been in the game. And they see things through auditing. This is the money didn't do 1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
So and then Tiat Kirsten made a meeting, created a meeting. Our last meeting we had, our album was done. The album was sounding great, international. Because Tiat was planning to do a tour in Europe for us. He was, bro, he already popped out like almost 2 million rand for us to have a tour in.
Yo,
you missed out
Bro.
on a lot of things, dog. Just because of the bad team that you had.
Bro.
Shit.
Then Tiat Kirsten left South Africa, man, took everything. Sad, man. And, man, I had to, I crashed out. I left music. For almost 3 years. Crashed out, man.
Did you went through depression, bro?
No. I did. Look, it was depressing.
Okay.
Yeah.
But I'm not that guy.
Okay.
Me, I'm a soldier, my boy.
Yeah.
Me, you see with me,
Yeah.
you can kick me down.
Yeah.
But I'll stand up and kick you back, my brother. I'm that guy, bro.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it did give me stress, not
Yeah,
depression.
yeah.
I stress for a while. And then I started going back to the hustle because I'm a hustler, dog.
Yeah.
I'm a strategist. I'm a creative. I create, So I had to create ways. So I ended up being a coordinator for artists.
Okay.
you know, and well-known artists. I worked for Thibaut Tash at Tash Central, shot 3 advertisements for SASA. Did, you know, with Thibaut Tash, I was a coordinator. I brought like talent for him. You know, I did a whole lot. I worked behind the scenes because I was like, you know, the music, put it at
Okay.
you know, because I like it was gonna stress me out. Because if mina ngilezo, so I don't usually stick to into a1 and stress.
Yeah.
You know, my mind, my brain works that way. It bounces back to something else, and so because I'm also a graphic designer. I do like graphics. I do. So I did a whole lot of things behind the scenes, and so yeah, I wasn't gonna fall like that. I left Double Walkers on days. I stopped contacting them totally. Stopped music totally. You know.
But do you feel like if your team did not chow that money, like how far you would have go?
Yeah, bro. I would have been an international star right now.
Yeah.
And because I had like an international background, I had like great people behind. Like I'm telling you, I had like rich people behind. Not just rich nyana, like
Rich people.
richness. Tiat Kirsten is a multi-millionaire. Nikki Sachs, multi-millionaire. Done. Yeah.
So, do you also feel like if only it wasn't like just the fact that the team that you had, like they did not do all these weird things and stuff like that, that guy would still be here today?
Yeah. Trust me. Because that guy was about talent. He was about, if you have talent, he was disappointed by, you know, the youth that he was trying to help out of the hood. Yeah.
And where are these people from? Like your management? Like how did you get at them? Because I remember there was a time, honestly, Sibambu is on a podcast, Genji podcast. I won't mention the name, but he said like the time they were moving, they were like, you know what? I feel like now I've got a sound engineer. Maybe I'll be like, no man, that guy does this. No, let's grab him. Let him do this for us. And that's how they grew and became like that massive team that they are today. How did you get your team like, and what was the strategy like behind that?
Okay. My management, we team yase ETV.
Okay.
Walker Zondezi is from my hood. He established me. He actually
Discovered you.
discovered me.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was already discovered. I was already
Popping.
ekasi. I was already ekasi, like not just ekasi. So
Yeah.
I was like doing around everywhere. Puma. I knew a couple of people that knew me. I was like, yo, Ntanga wena.
Yeah.
You know. So Walker took me from that popping moment
To
and
other
said,
level.
okay, asivai nazi ingamla.
Yeah.
Machita iteam yakhe lezi zase e-TV abo cameraman bakhe you know flow managers was like, look guys, nginengamla Chia Kirsten ifuna ukuqala i-record label eGasi and a production house. So Nina i-team yakhe will be like the production house, and then with the studio side of things, Walker Sundays will manage me. Then Chia Kirsten got us an office, a hotel. You see Cliptown Hotel.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Baqeda ukuyakha. Qeda ukakhiwa. Wasitholela i-office there. Wathi bo ama-laptop, ama-computer, amafoni, i-iPhone. Hey baba, eleyana hey. Waqeda ukushaya i-office yonke ngama-iPhone, nomuntu wathi studio. Ufuna siphi studio? Asambe ukhetha studio. Avayi.
Yeah.
Ngayokhetha studio eToms lapha eBramfontein.
Yeah, ngiyibona iThomas.
Yeah.
Chose a studio. I was like,
Yeah.
yo, I chose a studio.
Yeah.
Cost 65K. Took the studio to the office, bangenzela studio office in. esami, I was the first artist. Then Basaina Uamu, she was a great, one of the great. She was touring the world, so we dancer, but she had a great voice, so they signed her as an artist too. And then Basaina Nyintwana Batufaya, yes, Kaslam and Kulana, Uchufaya. Yes, because I was like, yo, this boy is fire from the guys, and I introduced him. He was younger than me.
Okay.
So I was like, yo, I want a dead Nick to be like about yo, which talent ngoba who were the first main, so they must be dope like you. So
Who else
you
can
will
you
scout.
bring? Yeah.
Then I scout, I was like, okay, I need a first lady. Got Amu. She's from White City, but she was touring the world. Magabuye Kasi from China, and she was like, yo, because new music, she was like, yo, okay, look, I want us to do music. I was like, Bega, you need deal for when. Swagale, and then she was part of the team Fire too, and Tata. Then basenzela I launch, baba. Ama stage angaka baba.
Dog.
Because a launch for our album was dope. It was supposed to be, and then
Ilonchi niyenze la
boom,
kuphi?
and then-
Elokishini, or?
it's a Cliptown hotel.
khona
Iyavulwa
la.
hotel ngapha mfethu nathi
Shit.
sishayile
Niyalauncha.
saloncha waqwala baba wabooka u-Pitch Black Afro. He was hot back then. Wabooka he was one of our ama-headliners, like azosivulela istage whatsoever. Pitch Black Afro, Mrafi, yabo Kulichana. Mrafi, the time kusasemrafi.
Yeah.
Kulichana, Tony Mac, K Kazim, shout out to them, man. And Ntombazana she's late, man. The late damn, I'm called number one Tsotsi. She was singing that chorus on Tukulo's album. Tukulo from TKZ.
Yeah, from TKZ.
Yeah, so
Damn.
she's late now. So there were three. Yeah, they were like Murafi, Pitch Black, and her, and then us. Damn. Hey, it was big, dog. You hear dog. Hey, those times, dog. After getting such a dope launch, and then in Dabazavela a week later.
Yeah.
There's a Mali.
Yo.
Bro.
Damn. Lento le like last for how long? Like how long they've been chowing money, these guys? How long?
9 months.
9 months. Yo. And like in overall, did you get like to know how much money was chowed?
I don't know.
But if
But
you were
it's-
to estimate, roughly
Almost 500.
1,000.
Yo.
Almost 500k. Because bephuma bengakhiphi.
Oh.
Lo muntu lo bekabeka almost 2.5 million
Shit.
for tour.
Yeah.
Then le 500k le mele izoyenza lezi zinto ukuthi thina sibe established, and then
Yeah.
boom. Tour yathi yokucala ayikho eSouth Africa, ise-UK. We go do a tour in UK with our first album. We haven't dropped singles. Yo, it was too good to be true, dog. It's too good to be true, but it was true. It was damn, that nearly crippled me, dog. Mentally, nearly.
Yeah.
But
No.
because of the character that I have, and how I was raised, I've always been. My mother's a smart woman, a very constructive person. Like umuntu, she's the one coolest ngakhona. Like she raised me never to give up on anything that I want.
But also, do you feel like after this whole thing, like, would you say it's the reason, like the real reason today, like you stopped doing music?
Trust me, ukuyengivara. And futhi nenye into eyagcwalisa.
Yeah.
It's the shout out to Casper Nyovest and shout out to Somizi, man. Yeah, Mahotman.
Okay.
San respect, I'm going to say this because I've been working with Kellis for a long time. I know he didn't mean it in a bad way. If you do a go, I ends with Kellis and then you know about Usomizi and then Wakwat Usomizi. Then Kellis grew up a street away from Kespanyo Vest's mother's house.
Yeah.
So he's from Mafikeng Muntiwa, so they're both from Muntiwa. And they're like a street away from each other. So they
literally
went-
like from the same home.
yeah, they went to the same hip hop sessions that side. They had a song together before Casper blew up.
Is it?
Yeah, on Kellis's album, he had a song with them, with almost dope rappers in Mafikeng. He had like Bonoti, he had them on his song. So Kellis has always been popular. Now he's famous. He's always been popular too back then, like us, you know. So, and then Casper and Kellis were like good, ne?
Buddies.
Yeah, but until Lento Lega Somizi, because Casper and Somizi are friends. So because of that video, then things changed between Casper and Kellis. And then Black Twitter made it a beef. They made it like these people are beefy, you know.
Eish.
And people started beef.
Yeah.
And then Usomizi took Kellis to court, you know.
Yo, it went that far.
Yeah, Humans Rights Commission.
Yeah.
We went to court. Kellis was on all over TV apologizing because begat sue and then only to find out Kellis agana a million. So means you sue you for your millions, dog. But Groupmani, I mean, obviously that video I'm patang grand, but I swear he didn't mean it in a bad way, Groupman. Kellis, you know. I've never said this before because I've never touched on this. This is something that I didn't want to, because of the respect I have for both also me and Casper, you know. So I didn't want to touch it at all. One of the people that, you know, I knew what was happening. I've been there, so I know what's happening. I know how the beef started. I know how it's not beef actually.
Yeah.
Social media made it a bit.
Yeah, social media made it. Kellis,
Black tweet.
we have a respect that I want to buy true.
Yeah.
Boy, true, like I have respect that the way he speaks of them, you know, and yeah, man. After that, after my you know story, it's got Tiat Kestin, and then this, you know, okay, that's fun, you know, with the music.
Same night.
Yeah, same like not same time because I dropped like two singles before I.
Okay.
And I was like, yo, and my last single was literally on the second verse speaking about that, you know, whole and shit like that. But you know, I strongly believe Uguti, you know, God has a, you know,
As a plan.
as a plan for all of us, man. And we said, you know what, we can do something different in Jaga. Kellis actually is the one that was like, you know what, I can do something different and still be famous.
Yeah, but also, what was the context? Because like, there's someone who don't know that video. What was that video about, and what is it exactly? Also means Lampe into Amquatis and stuff like that. Like, can you give like the viewers like a bit of a context? What was happening?
No. Let's see.
Yeah, you said you know it.
No,
you know
but
what was
yeah,
a bit
I know,
of a context. Like, just a glitch in
Oh
ukuthi babe
my
ne-idea
God,
ukuthi
podcasters, man.
what was happening. Yabo ukuthi what was happening in that video.
Oh my word.
And was that video
Hey
taken down?
guys, you see podcasting. I know, but hey, as I'm a podcaster, I'm a journalist.
Come on.
Hayi.
Mele senze
Indlulile man, see.
Mele senze i-justice for ama-viewers. Because omunye akazi ukuthi
Even
Yeah,
now,
no,
even
exactly.
me, I
We
don't
don't
know.
want people to
Yeah.
go back to Leso Slow and Dabasvule because you know how social media is.
No.
They will go back to that. If I say it, they will go back to that. Mara leo video ya deletwa on all platforms.
Okay.
Because angithi besesivumelana ne Humans Rights Commission ukuthi okay, we'll delete the video, we'll make sure ukuthi ayikho.
Yeah.
on social media. Laba bayi-downloadile, asikasibone bayipostile
yeah.
if bayi-downloadile. But we want to keep it that way in respect of Grootman, yabo.
Okay.
So we want to keep it that way because that's what we agreed on with the humans, right? No, with the look. Okay, this was like, yo, sorry, I'm not gonna make ngiz ngilobele ngifuna ukuthi hayi hey no. Yeah. It feels wrong ukuye. It is wrong. In his eyes and how he saw the video, it is wrong. And of course, Keres didn't see it that way back then. But since it came to his attention, ukuthi le video le ayikho right.
Then he
because of 1, 2, 3. And then futhi, I mean, we have mad love for the gay community. You understand? So, of course, we don't want Leo kube ngathi we are homophobic. You know?
Homophobic, yes.
Yeah, we are not. I have gay friends, people that I know personally about gay, and then I speak to them on the phone. You know, they're my friends. You understand? Where angifuni ukuthi, you know, that's why ngafuni ukuyistretch in that sense. Yabona, which is
No, I get you.
yazovula amanye ama-can bafethu asifuna ama-can avuleke.
Yeah.
Because hey abantu basile iproblem ye-social media hey abafeni bethu yasile yasile mfethu yabona ukuthi uScott babezana babakaje bambheka kaje but yazi ngitshela ivalo with this. Okay, I just to touch on Scott Ganyani.
Yeah, we can.
Because of I'm a fan.
Yeah. No, we can.
So I mean, I mean, look, the people are angry. He needs to apologize. What he said was off because why I'm saying that because dog.
Oh, according to your perspective, it was off.
It is. Why? Beg. Yes, he's human. But life is normal.
Yes, that's the thing. That's what he couldn't get into his head.
His life is not like Scott Mapuma lo bekangena fame.
Yes.
Manje Scott, if fame, when we speak of fame, we are speaking of you being a product of the streets.
Okay. Yeah.
So
which is right.
Yeah. Street fame.
Yes.
Brand yethu.
Oh.
Street fame.
Okay.
Oh. Damn.
Street fame. We're famous on the street. We are the product of the street.
Yeah.
Mina nanoma ngayapi.
Yeah.
Anywhere we go, if any else like him, I'm going to be Tangovion. I'm going to be what they want.
Yeah.
Because I know, Uguti, these people made me who I am.
Yeah.
True.
I cannot change anything about that, dog.
But he said those people, they didn't make him.
That's where he gets it wrong. We didn't know Scott Mapuma. Last 2 years back, we didn't know him.
Who's streaming his music if it's not
Exactly my point. Uguti, if we didn't make you, dog, who's streaming your music? If the fans didn't make you, who's watching your videos?
Yes. Is it God? You said it's God.
It's God.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. You said is it God?
uNkulunkulu ublessile ne mara ungamsukeli uNkulunkulu mfana.
Yeah.
Dog, I mean, God blessed you.
Yes.
But your fans blessed you too. Because your fans are demigods. Your fans are made out of his image. Lo God ukhuluma ngaye.
Yes.
So these people ukhuluma iqiniso, but you need to put s kuleyo God yokugcina. Gods. Yeah. God's made you.
Yeah.
You understand? So laba abaphila emhlabeni, laba bazama event inwakho.
Yeah. Yes.
You still booked today because of the love the people are giving you.
Yes.
Yeah, because of them.
Yeah.
So never lose the plot, my brother. We didn't know you 2 years back, Jayam and Forstan. We didn't know you at all. So manje siyakwazi because of the fan base you have.
Yes.
And the people that are sharing, retweeting and reposting
Yes.
your work.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So you are the product of the streets, my nigga. Never get that twisted.
Yeah.
Product yethu. nami ngi-product yenu.
But also, what your thoughts like? Because there are a couple of videos before he did the podcast. There were a couple of videos. The podcast made it worse, and it's gonna be like a podcasting is a problem, and podcasting is not a problem. It's how he replied. You see, it's how he had. Pella, remember, there even the subtitle of the video says he was addressing his fans. You see, there were a couple of videos where they tried, I think on the stage, they tried to grab him like some fan. Then he pushed the fan away. And there's another video he told someone who was trying to, like, what are you?
So
how can you do something like that?
apparently I saw I saw a post where he says this is all a marketing strategy to be like this to fans.
But
So that he can get more traction.
but
So, Scott, Jam, you are twisting and turning. You are twisting the story, my brother. It's not a strategy, my brother.
It
You
can't
only thought of it now with esangathini kulabantu. Hayi strategy leso ushuthi uScott uzimaketha kanje ngokuqhomela abantu ngokwenzani ngenzani.
No.
I understand. Yeah, we know that there's no bad publicity. Good publicity is bad publicity. Bad publicity is good publicity. But remember, some people abakhohlwa. Phela you are making a sky, iskali yabona. Yeah, mawusho kanjalo wena ushaya iskabe so uyamaqeda uzopholisa iskali. Ngeke ungilimazi bese ubuye uyaskizayo uzolunga njalo. No. You'll get uzothola retaliation serious.
yeah.
Because ungilimazi nami mele uzwe ipain yakhe.
Yeah,
You understand?
yeah.
So what I'm saying is, dog, respect your fans, dog.
Yeah.
Respect them, dog. You know, without those people, there's no Scott Mapu.
Yeah,
dog.
true. That's so true.
Yeah, but yeah, no. I got binjayam. You know, I was touching this because we feel bad as people that has fans. I feel like the way in respect I'm a fan and the way these people are so important to my life. I feel like with you, dog, it's like disrespect to the fans.
To the
It's
fans,
like,
innit?
And you are just 1 year in, my dog. You know. Legendary people, we know legendary people that are still attached to their fans and give their fans so much love and respect till today, dog. And labo bantu abasekho ku mainstream anywhere like yourself. These people manje ama legends bahlele nama family. But when you see them at the mall, number one, you understand? So my dog, you should learn from your elders. You should learn from check the legendary people and how they roll, my brother.
And how they move. And sesiyivala nje leyo cause bekunama awards recently, ama Metro Awards.
Yes.
He did not win the award. Would you think had an impact, Lento? Because remember, there's songs like Abo Piremaro, which is one of the most trending songs. Yabo. And even Amahotman like Abo Pori, they were angry. And I think now in their own perspective, maybe at the back of their mind, they were like, hey, but Scott usimoshile kancane
ukhala ngo-MT uthi u-MT wenzeni
athi u-MT wenzeni
athi u-MT wenzeni yini ayenzile past 2 years because akenzanga lutho kodwa
ini akayeke leyo i-special child akayeke i-special child leyo akayeke angayithini.
Do you feel like imcostile to the point ukuthi agcina angalitholanga i-award?
Partly, I mean, people wouldn't vote for.
Yeah, true.
Yeah. I mean, after you say a couple of things, we were supposed to vote for you, but I'm gonna retrieve from voting.
Vote for someone else.
Imagine
they decided to vote for Scooter Baba, those new guys in the block. Imagine.
Yeah, I mean, these guys and Abana impact
yes, he had a huge impact.
Now the thing is, Doc, whether you like it or not, your fans are part of your journey.
Yes.
So
true.
anywhere, Guma Awards, you'll need them to vote.
Yes.
Anywhere, Doc, your streamings, when you drop a song, you'll need them to stream.
Yes.
You need them to.
Yes.
Understand?
When there's an event, you need them to be
buy
there.
tickets to
Yes.
be there.
Yes.
So
to come
if
there.
you think Uguti,
You are superior.
if you think you don't need them, they didn't make you, it's fine, my brother. You know, I mean, getting votes.
Hey. It's gonna be.
It's gonna be a problem, you know. You see, if you are waiting for awards, my brother, or also, or maybe it will be another strategy, a marketing strategy to say no. I now not I don't need these awards. Oh, I know, fine, my dog.
No.
But dog, love your fans like
Yeah.
you love yourself, dog.
Yeah. Because look how it turned out now. Cutting
Yeah.
first, this performance.
Because partly, that's what, partly, you not winning an award as an individual is exactly what happened at Cotton First.
Eish, damn. Yo, you saw what happened there?
No.
Yeah, no, the
Yo,
crowd
yo.
started screaming only Mangena.
Mangena uTosi kuphela.
uTosi.
Yeah. He was performing.
He was performing crowd
Yeah.
with Mbeki.
Ikhawuthi
Bayenze
uLimbeki.
ngezandla kanje.
Mbeki ayisho next.
Oh, that's painful.
Bangathi ingoma
Mbeki.
zakhe, trust me, bayazazi.
They know.
Bayazazi ingoma iset yakhe ayenzile, siyayazi yonke.
Yo,
They know.
Siyayazi yonke
And I
catalog.
remember December, that guy was trending.
Baba,
he was the most
besicula
trending
yonke
guys.
ingoma.
Even Java approached him and told him, "Good Baba, Lord December wako."
Yeah.
So this guy was supposed to win an award.
Yeah,
No, he was
yeah.
supposed to.
Award, not footy award. He was supposed to take like 2 home. Because yena no Lim Crazy bebaspana.
Yeah. No, they were working. They were working overtime, those guys.
Baspanile.
Yeah, no, they were working overtime.
So yeah, man. I mean,
Yeah, kumele axolise
partly,
nje.
not him not winning any awards because of his statements. So, and yeah, Ms. Lungis, we still have the time is sasekhona.
Yeah, yeah.
You need to fix yourself and apologize to the, make
To
a
our
make
fans,
make a
yes.
state make a video briefly.
Apolo-
Apologize to the
apologize.
nation, man. Yeah.
Jada, like, is one of the people like abaku public figure, no more public figure, or like who are in a public space, like, would you say you have learned something like from Lentoka Scott, and what is it that you have learned?
Yes, man. I've learned a lot from that. I've learned that you cannot, I repeat, you cannot be bigger than your fans.
There's no way.
There's no way. I've learned footy.
Awunatsela.
Yeah, I've learned that footy. Your growth depends on them.
Yeah, true, very much true.
Yeah, so yeah, man.
Okay.
That's just my opinion.
Yeah, no.
So your fans can bangakukhulisa then baphinde destroy.
Exactly.
Wow.
Yeah, Jelly Baby. Yakhumbula Jelly Baby.
Yeah.
They unfollowed her. 1 million people unfollowed her. 1 million people. She had like almost 1.1 million people. 1 million people from if I'm not lying. But they unfollowed her.
Unfollowed.
Yeah.
Yo.
After
So
the
fans.
entire yeah. Yeah.
Can it get to that?
Dog, trust. But with Scott, the thing is with Scott, people still have basamncane, like
Yeah,
they're still
true.
attached.
No, yeah,
But
yeah,
batilekile.
yeah.
But they're still attached.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So he's lucky because people are thinking twice. They are still giving him a leverage with Imatal. Apologize.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because abantu bangathi apologize in nonsense. Unfold. Yangithola.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Yeah, ngiyakhumbula noNdoyisile unfollow abantu abaningi.
Yeah.
Ngiyakhumbula enze lesa speech sakhe sokuthi abantu basethembisa bagcwalisa imall lapha eMall of Africa.
Yeah. Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
Trust me, you can lose fans, dog. Easy. Kanje.
Just like this.
Ngento ephuma what you make sure nje hey saba ama-fan saba
Yeah.
basabi labantu labo bathande
Yeah.
ungabasabi
Yeah.
ngendlela ukuthi fear but the fear of losing them.
Yeah. I know. Ngiyakuzwa Uthami. Moving forward. And then you stopped doing music. And then content creation, how did it came about? Yini lento ekubaselayo ukuthi let me just do content. Like, is it the fact that vele, even from home, you are well known as a bit of a comedian? You see, like, is it because of that? Like, yini exactly?
Well, yes, partly that, the family.
Yes.
But Keles happened.
Oh.
Because Keles is the first guy. Ngale Zainkat is a mix it. If you kumbuli mix it.
Yeah, I remember mixing.
Before my Instagram.
Before TikTok.
Yeah, there was mixing.
Yeah,
it was Mix It.
Mix It.
Yeah.
So Keles Dog was creating videos for Mix It. Back then. It was popular. That's why I'm saying it was popular. I was doing videos for Mix It. Emafikeng before he came to Joe's. That's why his first project EP that he dropped was Maftown to Joe's.
Oh.
Because of that. I understand. So uthema suka ngada aza eloli. Bese bengakamcavi. But thema afika eloli. Thema ngemita, hey, this guy is dope musical. Isikhathi masivaya. Yebani. Ngithe mina mangimuva 4 years later eloli. Ngivaya. Bese kuyimpintshami sengiphuma naye sengizana. And then ngithe mangifike eKasi, I didn't see him for almost this guy 5 years. Okay, let's. But ku social media ngimbona.
And you guys were still friends?
Yeah, we were friends.
Damn.
Go Facebook manje, Facebook thema ingena. After Mix It teacher makudumi Facebook. Waqala wayenza ama video ku Facebook. Ngamlandela.
At that time when I went in my video.
Angenza ama video.
Okay.
I'm not a comedian. I am a comedian at home.
Yeah.
I'm not a comedian. I'm not a comedian on social media.
Yeah.
So Keles knew my character. He knew me like, mantwana wena vele makablomeka ofela wathikisa mpilo. Yingi ngoma. We want, and then he was like, when we met 5 years later, we met at Sunshine Studios in Braamfontein, where I was a coordinator for One Mic on SABC1.
Damn. You were a coordinator there?
Yeah.
I remember One Mic.
Yeah. It's one of the guys that brings like talent. Abum rapper, sabalanda, sabakolega,
So you were still tapped into music even though
I was not rapping
doing
myself.
music. Yeah.
I was tapped in.
Was it for the love of music?
Yeah, for the love of entertainment, actually, not just music.
Okay.
But entertainment. Okay. And then when we met at Sunshine Studios, yo, Jaga, yo, and we were excited because it was 5 years later. Yo, man, bona no so live yeah, bona ini.
Yeah.
And then we exchanged numbers, I remember. And the rest was history because of after exchanging numbers, it was like, yo, dog, I want to introduce you into this comedy thing. I was like, yo, dog, I've seen what you've been doing,
Yeah.
dog.
You were interested also.
I was like, yo, mfana, zwakala, re meet, re shoot.
And when is that? Yenzeka nini lento le?
Lento le iyenzekele 7 years ago.
Okay.
Yeah, 6 actually. Yeah, 6 years ago. Fana, I see. I think I cover already. Mange cover. Then we've been working. Obvious back then, bengasebenzi full time naye. Bengiza shoot video, 2 videos. Go poster yena. That time, I'm not Tangovion.
Okay.
I'm just an extra on his video.
Yeah.
Then 2 years ago, fast forward, 3 years ago, I meant to say. What's this? Okay, right, 2021, which is 4 years.
Yeah, 4 years from now.
Yeah. We're like, fine, K4. Asiyekela K4 kancane umbekele side. I need you to concentrate on this delete lama-account wakho wakudala ngathi angiwadelete ngizowaye kanjani.
Okay.
Ngaqala-ke ama-account awe comedy la bese sithole noTangovion igama and whatsoever. You understand? Then we started doing it till to date. This is what you see. And this is my second account. My previous account, I been my numbers, but I had to leave it because it was restricted. Because back then, I understand the policies, our social media, and community guidelines and stuff.
Yeah.
So I didn't understand all of that. So I was doing
Yeah.
I'm a restriction up higher. So Kellis knew a lot yet. More
Yeah.
information was like, nah, this account's not gonna work. As fully account just so that you can monetize it and make sure you're clean.
Are you guys making money from this?
Yeah, definitely, dog. Definitely, dog. Ngenela ngislender. Hayi kumathambo. Bangapolisi ithomba zami. Wabheka ithombe zami zosho na hayi boy. So yeah, man. So he's the first one to get paid on Facebook and YouTube. I was like, yo, it's possible, dog.
Yeah, ne?
And I was like, yo, Dwana. Hey, angazi ukuthi ngidisclose, but I can't disclose with how much he was getting on social media.
Yeah, you can disclose.
Hayi, you can. Hayi, thumela abantu lapha.
Someone
awukhela sizoba nenkinga ayithika disclose.
Khona uzoba inspired.
Disclose uye.
Yeah.
Maka se show
Yeah,
you know.
yeah.
Of course you will have an interview with him, so
Yeah.
you guys will disclose.
Yeah.
Not on my yeah, I know what to speak about and I know what not to speak about. So and then yeah, man, and then fast forward till today. So my accounts are clean. Now we're building a brand in Tangovion, like 4 years. It's been 4 years. We're building the brand in Tangovion. And it's working it's working out perfectly. It is doing good. People love Tangovion. They love other characters that I have. September, October. That character September is also dope one. September is Kwere.
Okay.
And then then I have Ukoko Ngovion, I have Mkhulu Ngovion.
Yeah, I've seen. Yeah.
And I have a couple of characters that are making rounds. People are loving it. Yeah, so the Ngovions, and I have a series that I've started, but I'm gonna make sure I go back to it. The Ngovions. Yeah. So the Ngovions are coming soon. Just watch your screen.
Yeah.
the Ngovions.
Yeah.
Angel, like, cause from your own perspective, would you say, cause I've seen that you're also an actor, would you say like acting goes in hand, like content creation, like, and what's the link between the two?
Look, it's this. I feel like it's the same thing.
It's the same thing. Yeah.
Because besides me doing comedy, imagine I was just doing without comedy.
It's just now e-comedy.
Yeah.
Yes.
Then it's content creating because it's social media.
Yeah.
But if I was doing this on TV, it's also content production.
Yes.
You understand? So, singai box, I don't want to put it in a box.
Okay.
And if it be saying it isn't as two, no.
Oh yeah.
Okay. It's just that it's acting, for viewership.
Yes.
So I strongly believe Uguti, I mean, it's one and the same thing. Yeah.
Okay. And who are your top 5 like content creators?
yeah, boy. Hey, uzoqabanisa nabangani bami manje. Wena ba podcast aqalile bafethu.
We need it, bro. Siyayidinga.
Aqalile bafethu ama podcast. Okay, bafethu. Ezinja zami nyancanywa man.
Yeah.
If angibiza igama lakho bacela ungathi mfethu eyilesa ngifune yes. Hey mfana lithi mfana wena now ayithi le mfethu.
Mfethu come on mfethu.
Yeah, no, hey guys, hey mfana, hey isifo sama podcasters yathelelana mfethu.
Yeah.
Eish. Yo, we. Zinja zami. Askis. The original Careless.
Yeah.
Mr. Baby Powder ongazi.
Number 1.
Yeah.
Tangofyo.
Yeah.
Number 2.
Number 2.
Buyezi ka SWAT. Number 3. Eish. Kabelo. As in, okay, look. Yeah, no, ilist yami indaba inamagama agrene.
Yeah.
But manje ngisengisele nga2.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it makes it even awkward, yabo?
Eish.
SSI mana yo ayele awuthi yang paraka le mfana. Yo we. Okay, as a sense.
Number 4.
Eish. Yeah. Flip. Kulezi ezisipanayo. Okay, look. I'm gonna mention those who are hardworking and consistent and you know they're always on their tippy toes, you know, for this content creation.
Okay.
So El Pigo.
Yeah.
Shout out.
Shout out El Pigo. And Nyasipana nonke bafethu.
Yeah.
Ngisele umuntu owani.
Phiko.
Eish. Nyasipana nonke bafethu ngiyanifrustana ningacambi le list le ile esihlukanisayo nisathi izinja zami.
Yeah.
Yes, mfana. Hey man wena mpana.
Come on.
Okay. Hey mfana yena. The last one, guys. Can I leave this one hanging?
No, you can't.
Ish.
They gotta be the last one. They gotta be the last one.
Okay. As in, as Carl. Okay. Ngizofaka ithi ngifaka ucherry la. Machita, zinja zami. Ngiyacava ukuthi hayi frostana ngezinja zami makuna jive.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ngifaka udimples la.
Okay. I know. Ngiyakuthola uThami. Awungitshele, like from the time you started like being a content creator, what are the things or obstacles that you went through in order for people ukuthi today sibone lo Ntangovion, the well-known Ntangovion lo simbona? What are the things that you had to go through? Because there are some small content creators about mabahlangana nama humps and tend to give up.
Yeah.
And when you managed to overcome a lot of things, I think, in your journey, you see. So what are the things that you would say, like, you know what, I had to go through this to become the person that I am today, you know? Because as in they're just in the closet, isn't though that they don't know. So they would think it was just an easy journey for you. You just went like sailing, you see. But you went through the most to become the person that you are today. What are the things? And it might help someone who's still trying to make this content creation work. Because as isn't your skull and then ubone, this thing is not working. Ganti, you only need to put more work in order to be the best version of yourself and to be recognized as a content creator. But people tend to give up because of just small potholes and then person say give up about him.
Mina bafethu ngizonitshela ivara kuzoba honest.
Yeah.
Hayi sithi ngicala uTangovion hayi akunawo ama-potholes. Because this guy is natural, dog.
Yeah.
I feel like people love natural stuff, dog.
Yeah.
You know, I'm a natural comedian, dog. Khona manje bheka izwa ngiserious kanjani khona nesilungu. Angithola. But when I get into that character, You know, people go like, yes. I out there. And they also call me mad, you know.
And right, because you know what? Dog, and you're right on that. You know why? Because of there are a couple of videos of you that I've seen. Like I think there was a time also performing a track on some other platform. I don't wanna promote things that I don't know. So there was this platform there where you were at. Like, bro, like the fluent English that you were coughing out there, man. I couldn't believe it's you. Like, to compare with the person on social media. Even
That's
now,
what
I'm
saying.
sitting with you. Yeah, even now, I'm sitting with you. The time you're explaining a story of that guy from
Tia
overseas.
Kirsten, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Like, bro, like you sound like a different person, you know, but you can still hear with no, man. Oh, you don't go me on, no, man.
Amfana ngiyakwazi ukumvalela eclosetini
Yeah.
uNgoviyo bese ngiyamlanda ngiyomqoka futhi.
Yeah.
So so doc, look, I'm professional when it comes to what I'm doing. Doc.
Yeah,
And,
I see.
and with me, the first video you watch about me, that's why I'm saying no potholes, because the first 3 videos on comedy that you watch,
Yeah.
yeah, so people go like, my dog, look, every fan that I get, a new fan that I get from first video, yaqhubeka sekabheka wonke ama-video ngadrop by. So you understand what I mean? So I nginanento bayibiza clickbait.
Okay.
Clickbait meaning my work will make you, it's like whatever you posted it's like you'll be tempted to press on another video. You understand? You press the first video, you'll be tempted to go to another one.
Yeah.
So in most cases, people watch my videos. The first time he sees my video, say we fan, like full-time fan. You understand? My numbers are growing every day. I've never got unfollowed since. You understand? Both on a page and up in my account. Ganj. My numbers are you understand? Because inconsistency and my content creation is different. So that's why I've never had potholes. You know?
I know, I feel you. Okay, you mentioned it, I think people have heard ukuthi, and the Bible on my social media, obviously, you spend on a baby powder. Who else like osebenza nayo? Plug them, bro. Abobani wanasipana nabende. Abobani abanye singaba expect mhlambe ozosebenza nabo and stuff, and abobani that you wish to work with, yabo, because they might watch the video only to find out ukuthi that's why they no man, nami, you see, yabo. Yeah.
Okay, Spana obviously. Look out for Upubezi Gaswat, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
My boy, lo hleza faka ikamo security.
Yeah.
Yeah, a dope content creator.
Yeah. Yo, he's really dope. He's clean.
Watch out, he's a dope actor. He started naye stuff simtawuthi ukuthi acting, but yeah, when he got into it,
He killed it.
yeah, he's super dope. Of course, a short guy in Kabelo, you know.
Yeah.
I've worked with him. Is you know, our own, you know, say because of he's not in Jozi right now, so he's not doing anything, of course.
Yeah.
But he's one of the guys that I enjoyed working with. Yeah.
I could have video dengishayayo. But ida shuthi ine cream la. But yona iyafika yamqabuza. Ithi la. That video angishayo.
Avele awuthi ayibabeli. Bengijasuse lethu yini nomuntu futhi umuntu kamthika nqabu. No. Yeah, that's one of the content creators that I enjoyed working with, and then of course there's a lot of them that are coming up, man, that are dope.
Do you also like plug new like content creators?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
Yeah.
There's a whole lot. That's what I'm saying. There's a whole lot of upcoming that are coming.
Okay.
And then they're coming in hot, dog.
Okay.
you know. Okay, because amagama ish. Okay, athi ngenze kanje. There's skills iqili, you know, skills inchebe.
Yeah, unjay.
And then he's dope. I enjoyed working with him. I enjoyed working with El Pigo. Enjoyed working with Keith. Oh, Keith is a white Umakeza.
Okay.
Umlungu.
Okay.
Hey. But fit that guy. Yeah, no. Dope
You can't
content
leave him out.
creator.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, hey Keith, you dope, my brother. And there's a boy called Mukoni on TikTok. Hey, Twanile
It's
Bafet.
dope.
Hey, Island Twania Sebenza. He's also a musician. The way he does comedy, when he switches into being a musician, yo, hi, na yo leana no, ngay you much Ivan. Hey, Lantwan. Yeah, he has a lot to
talent.
offer for the industry.
Yeah.
And then just to mention a few, man, because the list is endless.
It's long.
now.
Yeah. No, I feel you.
So and then those who I want to work with, Keith, my brother, still want to work with you, bro.
Okay.
Who's this? Brendan.
Okay.
I still want to work with you, my dog. On content creation, let me see. I have a lot of friends, man. There are Prachobe, Manando, Gift Manando, Poeti, Poets. There's those bizarre poets. There's a whole lot of them, bro. Actually, bafethu, if ufuna ukushaya content nami nezinja zami, just inbox me, dog. If you're a content creator and you know you're good at what you're doing, you love what you're doing, you're passionate, because the passion will, of course, our energies will gel and engage. So I need you to have passion for what you're doing.
Yeah.
So if you're a content creator and you know you're watching this and you know you want to work with us, please inbox me on TikTok or Facebook. Let's talk about it. Let's see what we can do, yeah?
Okay. As we are wrapping it up, Nje, indaba yakho, with doing a content, I just want to know, because like Nispana Naboche, like the most, dog, there's nothing happening behind the scene. Dog, come on. Some sexy ladies, bro. Some sexy ladies, man. Yo.
Our podcaster,
It's most sexy ladies, Baba. It's not just any ladies.
Beautiful ladies.
Yeah, my
Yo, beautiful ladies and
Beautiful.
faith. Yo.
Yeah, guys, no, I'm a married man.
Oh.
Babe, I love you so much. You know I love you, babe. Right?
Yeah.
I'm a married man, babe. I love you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Leya finish leya nakusase yakho.
Yeah. Yo, yeah.
So, hey, with the Addis, my brother.
Sure, abanye bayanhlupha mfethu. Phela abanye they slide in DMs. Imagine if seka shooter naye ukuthi it's even more worse.
Yeah, no. Guys, I want a straight face for this one. I'm professional.
Yeah.
I don't do that. Let's see man.
Angeke, my brother.
Yeah, no, but guys, I mean,
But before surely things happen.
yeah, no.
Yeah, surely before like
baby,
yeah.
before you came into my life, of course I was smashing, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was smashing, you know. There was not everybody though, but big nala baya na yang chot. Not every chick that's on my videos that you know I smash.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. That's the whole truth.
most, yeah.
Some of them baza ngama agent, babanye baza na management wabo, so you can't do
you can't,
literally
yeah,
it's business.
Yeah, it's
That's
business.
it,
Yeah,
you know?
strictly business.
So abanye we respect that,
Yeah.
because business wise it only makes sense. But guna labo obvious abangena kuma inbox.
yeah, sliding
Yeah, and
DMs.
then now what's that guy what here?
Hey.
Now what should I wethu wafethu. I did I.
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
didn't worry. Baby, I'm still saying, I don't do anything. I'm serious. Babe.
Yeah.
Now I respect that I have a girlfriend and I have met love for you, babe.
But surely it's hard to stick to one woman. It's too many
She's
ladies
too hot.
sliding
No,
into you.
my woman, she's too hot. Okay, let me show you a picture, my brother.
Okay.
I just want to show you a picture, my brother.
Umveza.
And then so you can see. Don't show it to the camera.
Yeah, no, I won't. But I'll rate her.
Yeah.
I'll rate her.
That's
Yo. Damn.
That's
Yo.
my future wife right
Watch
there.
Aries. Watch. She's a 10, Baba.
That's my future wife. That's my wife
Yo,
right there,
yo,
bro.
yo.
She woke up in the morning and said, babe, are you still going to the interview? Do I meet
She's
you?
fire.
But-
She's fire, man. Yo, she's fire. Yo, damn.
Yes, ladies, I'm taking. I'm not.
Yeah.
You are taking.
I'm taking.
Unengani?
Yeah. Yes, I do, man.
How many, bro?
Yeah.
Min. Ha. Guys. RIP to my son, my late son, my firstborn. RIP to you, boy. Let's say, oh, Daddy loves you. And then I have a daughter.
Okay.
She's 7 years old.
Oh.
And yeah. And I ebese kuba nale ntwana incosi leya nomjita bathe yami la ePitori yabo.
Wena ukholwa yena.
No, yazi.
Thina.
Yeah.
Eish.
When
Azindawo manje oleli lakhe no linezinto eziningi yabo.
Yeah.
Okay.
Be ngajoli namnyiwani.
Hi, baby mama drama.
And no yena uthi mina manje she saying yeah incosi yami.
Yeah, ngithi ingane.
But edladleni
Yeah.
you understand ngesintu
Yeah.
mela lethi sisu.
Yes, yeah.
So abantu
Yeah.
abadala mabangabonanga isisu.
Yeah.
Yeah, but ingane yasonina vele. Mangathi yakho.
What
Mamela.
did these ladies lie, bro?
Mamela dog.
Yeah.
It's possible that uqinisa ukhaya.
Yeah.
They're out there, I span you are working grand. Then when ushayiswa after yona incosi yakho. Yeah, a week after, yeah, a week, 2 weeks after uyashaya incosi yakho. It's the same month. Mabazokukountela, mayezalwa 9 months later. But angithi save sex ngoJune. Wakho, mawuya counter 9 months kanti hayi wena ungene a week later.
Shit.
Yeah.
Yes, dog, it's a sad reality that
Yeah.
happens.
Yeah, no. It's
So,
really.
wena unenyuku uyasipana nomntana ubonile uthi le ama podcast yini
Yeah.
lo yena umahlalelekazi uyangihlupha akanamali mangifuna imali
But it's good. But surely it's good.
he's good ngesex but
Yeah.
wena money
Oh.
so wena the money
Landela
to
leya nto.
Wozala.
zwala yini nwanya kikithi hayi kunjalo puti
Yeah.
yes yabo but now edladleni ba strict in when it comes to isisu
Okay.
a strict blind even though incosi ingaseyamba but isisu asize
Asize.
Yeah.
nisibike mawuceda ukusibika but le ntwana leyana ngencanywa yabo ngencanywa le ntwana but olelayo yazi alifuni ukwenza into ezi right I don't want to expose my baby mama right
Okay.
she should have done the right things for intwana because edladleni bathi okay sharp no problem angidawulethanga sizo
Yeah.
cela senze iDNA kuphela sisi
Okay.
yena akusi problem samfuna but cela usenze ukuthi angithi sazibuza ama questions
Yeah.
Yes.
Like nibe ne-assurance.
yeah abantu abadala abafuna assurance mina
Yeah.
I can take care of the child but edladleni mabathi endoda ima kancane sifuna assurance
Yeah.
then you proceed sakuzwa uthi uyayithanda ingane in but we want that assurance because imfethu ngeke mawuvakashisa incosi cho uyigunde inwele uwenza sure ukuthi akuna DNA singayithatha iDNA ngamathi maseni whatsoever
Yeah.
and if you don't want incosi ngivakashele for iviki there becomes a red flag you know
Yeah. How old is the boy?
he's turning 10 bro.
Yo,
Ah,
but he's
ukhulile,
old,
man.
man. Ukhulile.
Bro, you see, let me tell you something. I want to do the right things for Leantwana.
Yes.
Yeah, you're blind. I want to do the right things for him, dog. Trust me.
But it's like you believe ukuthi when it's yours. Like you've got that belief. ukuthi
Look.
it might be mine.
Look, it might be mine.
It might not.
because bekajola ePitori ane-out straight
Yeah.
Eish.
mina mina nomnalo bese ngajoli mfethu we like snack first time wazi ubumnandi makasekazi mangekho ePitori asekazi snack first time
Oh yeah, qhubeka.
yoze yakhala hayi ungeza sharp snack mfethu
Obvious.
then the last time obvious izinto zayenza lithi zayenzakala mfethu
Yeah.
ngiyangithola
Yeah.
but manje flop bekazwana naleyana ngayimina ngayikunenye bayibiza uJomo eKasidam and mina le uJomo bengacavi uthilizo bengazi
Yeah.
Eish, ukuthi naye snack.
ya ngitshelwa iGrootman lakhe lo mntana ngote man nangi ithilizo this time kanti wena mun
Oh yo.
hey man
Hey bana.
yang understand ukuthi dayiling ngingaba confusing
Yeah,
kanjani
yeah,
for me
yeah, yeah.
you know and abazali bami because of you know that all that yabo so mina bengile lo cheese boy yangithola because mina ekasi ethema lami bengileza amakhavela ama la costa yabo ngoba ithema lami vele bekumuntu esidwala ithema lami bengincane ukugcoka like yabona yeah ma imprint ama ekna yabo ithema lami bekuye esidwala yangithola so bengigcoka because of ama account wakhe when ithema lami bengigcokisa nice ngifastana so ngayingi last born yayo you understand obviously and last born ijita yabona bekangiphatha okwecanda yangifastana so encosi bezibona ngathi cheese boy there hayi le cheese yakhuphula back there na sihamba ngamagwegwe ingenali igwegwe mara ngiyashaya shaya igwegwe baji yeah so high school I was like bengilezi jola nabo miss Titelo you know
Miss?
Miss Titelo ngijole no Miss Titelo fethu ngajola no Miss Rodi Potter ya mina ngincanywa bo miss awena mfethu ithikini yami mfethu ungazodlala
Hey but naye leyana ngathi umise. Yeah, you
phela
right on that
ifubheka la
Yeah.
ngakutshela ngepast yami uzosho utayi lebe ngincanywa ngochika ba nice ami yami ngincanywa ngochika bahle and bebangithanda nami like that thing character yami was very bubbly that thing ukuthi hey ayi wena mawukhona wena mangikhona uzala ngicela uhlala la wena was like that guy so ngicava ne disc nguJomo
Okay.
Mojo man
Mocho man. Yeah.
Jomo esuke from kuJomo angithi bengidlala ibhola nguJomo Jomo Mojo
Oh.
I just twisted the name I was like ngenze kanjani ngathi Mojo man back then before K4 and no Tangovio
Yeah. Nje mhlambe sesovala.
yeah
Before uvala ngoba ngiyabona sewufuna ukuvala. A word nje of advice because back then bekunzima ungena ku TV. Like nje ukuyithola mhlawumbe uact ku TV kulabo abathanda iacting nani bakuthola kunzima but now izinto seziye zaba simple because sekukhona ama social media umuntu useyakwazi ukwenza izinto zakhe okwakho nje ongakusho kulama content creators
the upcoming
yeah the upcoming ones yabo ungathini kuwo because
Yeah.
now siyakubona wena uyakhona ukuzenzela imali through social media
yeah
awusadingi ukuthi uye ku TV
yeah
for ukuthi bakuthathe uact or something and then the TV na say useless kulesikhathi samanje
izokufaka ikhingeni wena manje
seyibukeke useless
yeah no
yeah
hey
It's losing touch. I think I'd put it
is
like that.
yeah look man the reason why you see all these podcasts being signed on TV I will make G, I will skim GP is because of viewership.
yeah
They are losing viewership or ring program. So that's the reason why they go bafuna
Buyisa,
sonke
yeah,
for
yeah.
viewership. So my word of advice, man. Be original.
Yeah.
Keep going, never stop. Don't let anybody tell you different. Keep creating.
Yeah.
Consistency is key. Give people a reason to follow you. a reason
Yeah.
which is giving them a reason, meaning do yourself.
Yeah.
I understand.
Yeah.
So, and when you do yourself, it will always turn out the best because of you are you, and nobody's gonna
Yeah.
take
True.
that away from you.
True.
So yeah, TV. Well, the new currency is social media, but economy access with TV, guys. If you wanna be on TV, there are agencies, ne? But there's a process through agencies, of course. But joining agencies, most cases, it helps.
Yeah.
Go to SABC, go reception, cela ama-agency, ama-number wama-agency wabo. Go to ETV, Red Pepper, reception, cela ama-number we-agency yabo. Or Mzansi Magic, anywhere. You can go to their reception and ask. Or go to Google and just say top acting agencies in South Africa. Azovela wonke kanje.
Yeah.
And then you choose an agent that you want to join. Or go to their websites, check their gallery for a talent yabo, bheka ukuthi talent yabo inabo bani. Do you see familiar faces? If you see familiar faces, then that is a right agency you can join. Yeah. Because if you see familiar faces, meaning labo bantu bayaspana, these familiar faces bathole ispan and ubazi through this agency. You understand? So yeah, with TV, that's what you can do. But yeah, man, I recommend that people must make sure that they know with social media is the new, it's the in thing, man. Social media is the future,
It's
dog.
awakening. Yeah.
And it's creating careers.
Yeah.
And while on TV, because bro, I've seen you on TV.
Yeah.
but you were featured on
Shagazu-
Ishagi
Ilam, the season one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. How did that, bro? How did you get there, man?
Bro, I have good friends in the industry, dog. Shout out to La Kinjam. Thank you so much. Song and Dance, the agency that I was under.
Okay.
Shout out to everybody that made sure that this was possible. Shout out to Bomb Productions, Yeah, man. I mean, yo, I was one of Amabudu warriors.
Yeah.
Mabudu!
Yeah. I've seen you. Ngibonile uphethe-
Yeah, I was one of
Umkhonto
Amabudu,
laphaya.
one of the favorite. I was one of the leading warriors. Like I was one of the forefront warriors.
Yeah,
Is
forefront
Ama-
warriors, yes,
is
yes.
Amabudu, yeah.
Yes, I've seen it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. I need push my janks.
Yeah, I know.
Keep
Thank
up
you
the
so
good
much.
work, bafethu.
Thank you so much.
Iy'ngane zethu ziyasihlupha zisiqedela idatha because of
Yo, bro, they're streaming you, bro. Like, to be
Because of
honest,
you.
bro. Yo, my nigga.
I know, my neighbor fit. I've met love, for everybody that's supporting us, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. We appreciate you on behalf of my team. Shout out 106 Production, 106 Connect. That's my boys right there. Using just production here together. Mine is phone 106 Connect, but it's gone. We are musicians. You can book us anytime. And then, yeah. And then to the youth, okay, I just want to say this to the youth, man.
Yeah.
I'm going to my opportunity. I'm also elected as head of media at Africa Rise Youth Indaba.
Eish, ngithi ngifaka yona. I've seen you've been posting it lately.
Yeah. So I'm head of media. So I don't want to dwell in a lot, Guyo, because of when it comes to media, there has to be preparations in
true.
such organizations.
Yes.
It's a very huge organization. But Africa Rise Youth Indaba, go check out our website, be a member for you to get opportunities. 100 million jobs have been. Yo, look, man. There's a whole lot. I can't mention a lot on this episode. But if maybe ngabuya information ebhaya.
Okay.
But for now, please check out our website www.africariseyouthindaba.org.za. Go be a member there, and then also a member uzothola wonke ama opportunity owadingayo mfethu. Sure.
Yeah. Make sure you do check out the Africa
Rise Youth Indaba.
Oh, damn.
Africa Rise Youth Indaba.
Oh, it's not African, Africa.
Africa Rise Youth Indaba.
Okay. Make sure you do check it out. Yeah, and just before we are wrapping it up, I just want you and Uguti. They should keep following you, dog.
They should.
So yeah, so where should they check out your content?
Okay. Facebook, all platforms.
Okay.
Tangovion. TANGOIN. Taulo. My onion. On all platforms. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok. Just search that name, Tangovion. Everywhere. TikTok, Snapchat, Twitter. Yonke into bafethu.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, I think we are wrapping it up now. And also, bro, there's this video ngichazile ngiyibonile. Lapha usha khona this guy abambiza ngo head office.
Oh, yeah.
There's this recent video that you guys dropped. That guy. No, when I chop.
Oh,
Hey.
askise mjomani.
Hey.
Jomo. Wait. Say, Jom. Yabona bengithi ngibiza wena nje am number 5. When I call my top 5 content creators,
Yeah.
Jomo, the real Jomo bafethu, that one the best.
Head office.
Yeah, head office bafethu, the best. You're one of them, Twana. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And
so-
katara mo isha iyakhala na no uthi khona ethi ngikolodaya. Ishaya tata ishaya le video le. Ishaya le video. Yo uyalona shit.
I told just yo.
Yo mina uyakhala. Hayi ngeke ngikwazi
That's one of my best videos that I did no Jomo.
Yo, hi,
Shout out
Leanna
to you,
Mfana.
Twana.
That's dope. Shout out to you, Chomo. As we are wrapping it up, if you did like the interview, I'm sure you did. Please do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. We are out.
Oh yeah.